The body kit looked really good in the sealed box.
Amazing. I really don't think we're too far off.
That body kit is horrendous. Hope Bugatti see this and out of guilt ship new panels for free.
And the car's come a hell of a long way since the day we first saw it.
Now it's Bugatti Chiron per sheet.
Definitely gonna be a one-of-a-kind Bugatti Chiron per sport.
Almost universal agreement that the body kit was a massive mistake.
I followed my heart.
After watching this, it made me realize that Mansory's body kits aren't even that bad. That body kit looks like if Mansory and Timu had a child.
No, God!
The body kit company went from unknown to wanting to be forgotten.
No!
This round goes to Matt Rimac. Please get rid of that Timu body kit.
2 shots of vodka.
That body kit is more suspect than one of Alex's trading courses.
I understand nothing.
$700,000 and not even having a carbon fiber body kit is straight up daylight robbery.
I followed my heart.
The guys at Venom have truly outdone themselves in making a Chiron look like a Chinese knockoff.
No!
Like James May once said, that's vandalism.
No!
After seeing the kit and the way you've put it on the car, I'm starting to understand why Matt Rimac refused to be a part of the rebuild and why the brand is so hesitant to work with YouTubers.